Hello, my dear friends. Once again, A.S.S Science Foundation is here, and today we have a very special story of one of our students, Vivek Suhani. So, Vivek have been studying at our offline center in Delhi, and he hails from Bihar. He did his B.SC from Patna University and M.SC from Magad University in Environmental Sciences. And he was preparing very hard for NET-JRF Environmental Sciences and GATE at our Delhi center. In that series, he was also preparing for various entrances and interviews of different university. So in between, he was appearing for the entrances and interview, and he qualified entrance of NIFTEM, which is National Institute of Food Technology, Entrepreneurship and Management, as well as the interview for the PhD program under the Department of Environmental Sciences. So on final selection in the PhD program at NIFTEM, in the Department of Environmental Sciences, the entire faculty team of A.S.S Science Foundation congratulate Vivek for such a remarkable feat and wish him good luck for the future PhD journey. NIFTEM is a very good lab of Ministry of Food Processing Industries, which is affiliated to Government of India. So at present, the institute is offering NET-JRF Environmental Sciences in offline, online, correspondence with video and correspondence mode. There are 4 programs and people can study at their comfort, whether they are doing M.SC, whether they are doing PhD, whether they are doing job or whether they are dropout. Everyone have a well-designed program so that they can achieve their aim in the minimum time investment. We are also offering the GATE Environmental Science and Engineering and GATE Ecology Evolution for 2024, where the exam is happening in February. A very well comprehensive program, both in live as well as correspondence video mode have been designed. The institute is also offering the courses for JSO and JE, which is about to happen for the Rajasthan Pollution Control Board. Institute also provide a very well training for the CUET PG exam, where you can target various life sciences courses at master's level as well as environmental sciences. The institute is also offering the technical programs such as data analysis in life science and environmental sciences, which is a bridging program between industry and academia. Institute also provides specialized guidance if students are interested in pursuing their master's or PhD from Europe or USA. So those who are interested, they can reach us on the given numbers via our web page or Facebook or YouTube. Any of the medium they can approach us. And once again, we would like to congratulate Vivek and wish him good luck for the future PhD journey. Thank you.